YouTube. All right, this is Amelia. I'm a strategy of Christopher. Yes, I am. Uh, like I said, it is work. The first video, I know you guys didn't see any money there, but it was not limited business. I was not big, maybe like 1,200. But now I start making a little bit more than. So it is perfect strategy. Of course, I have experience for 23 years, like I said. So now it's working good, but still, Christopher, I need your help. Christopher, I need your help. The level, you know, the fear is still with me. You know what I'm talking about. Just put me beside you and let me play. Even with your money, you can hire me. I'm a good player. But still, the fear is still here. So I want to unlock my fear. I order you. Universe does. So I'm still playing $10 each beats and doing my mathematics, doing my strategy. I don't lose. That's the good news. This is a free camp. I got the free cup, and like you said, I use the cup. I eat every day, make $80, $100. So, so you know what I'm talking about. Just press it my bit. Just press it my bankroll and see it, and you can take your money back right away. Let me play with your money or something. You know what to do. Hey, I love you. You are my soulmate.